Hello friends, welcome to Prod Hut channel. In today's video let's explore about can I wash cashmere in the washing machine? Cashmere wool is not only expensive but delicate too. Taking care of your delicate cashmere sweaters is quite difficult. These delicate fabrics usually require more attention compared to other fabrics. You came home and you have spoiled your cashmere sweater with ketchup. Tired? Not feel like washing it by hand? No worries. You can wash a cashmere sweater in the washing machine. Washing cashmere in the washing machine might have triggered you that it might damage your favorite sweater or shawl. No, it's completely safe to wash your cashmere in the washing machine. I will tell you some simple tricks. Follow them and save your extra money from laundry. Now we are gonna see about the steps to pre-treat the stain on cashmere. It usually happens whenever we wear expensive or delicate fabric, something has to fall on it. And that feeling is terrible. We get sad about how we will treat this stain. I wore it only once. These questions swirl up in our heads. Stay calm. I will tell you the quick ways to pre-treat your stains on cashmere fabric. If it is ketchup, do not directly wash it. Take a tissue, wipe off the ketchup. Take a damp cloth soaked in mild shampoo and wipe that particular stained area. Remove the chocolate stain. Take a damp cloth dipped in baby shampoo or liquid detergent and rub that specific stained area. Please do not rub it vigorously, as it will snag the fabric. Use cold water, and please do not use hard soaps or detergent on cashmere sweaters. Now let's see how to wash or steps involved in washing a cashmere in the washing machine. After pre-treating the stain, it's all set for machine wash. Place the cashmere sweater in a mesh cloth or a soft pillow cover. Then place it in a washing machine. Set your cycle to a gentle or delicate wash. Select the cold water cycle. Do not use hot water to wash cashmere. It will shrink, and the sheen will fade away. It is recommended to wash cashmere after wearing it 2 to 3 times. Now after knowing the washing, we will have a doubt. That is it feasible to dry cashmere in the washing machine? If so, how to dry cashmere after washing? So the answer to this is no. Do not dry cashmere in the washer. After washing, lay down the garment straight on the flat surface on the drying rack. Do not hang cashmere after the wash, as it will pull the sweater and spoil its shape. For excess water, damp it with a towel or cotton cloth. Air drying the cashmere in sunlight will help in removing the odor. Let it dry completely for almost 24 hours. Now let's see about how to restore cashmere after wash. Please do not iron the cashmere. It will damage the yarns. Steam iron is recommended for cashmere sweaters. Always use repellent before keeping a cashmere sweater. It will protect the garment from any cloth bacteria. Have a look quarterly at your cashmere to check if it is safe from bacteria or not. Thank you for watching this video. Visit our blog to know more details. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.